Hello my friends, today we are going to talk about how to design a flange in a Spaceclaim. Please subscribe SIMPAL group to don't miss the next training courses. Welcome to another training course of Spaceclaim. I'm Tohid Moghimi, the Ansys trainer of SIMPAL group, and today we are going to talk about the flange. As you know, this device is very useful in pipelines and used for jointing two pipes together. The first step to design a flange is creating a plane and using Revolve option to create a 3D model like this, and in the next step you will know the circular pattern to creating these holes around the flange. So let's go to the Spaceclaim. Okay, the first step is defining a sketch. I use XY plane to start the design. The next step is creating two guidelines from the center to help you create the side view of your flange. Start from here with desired dimension, it doesn't matter, and create like this. Okay, and now you should close your sketch with lines and press on 3D mode to create a surface and remove the last curves. Now for creating a 3D model, you can use Revolve from full option, and when you define the rotational axis, here I click on Y axis, you can use this option full pool, and then you can see the 3D model of your disk. Now I want to pocket the center of the disk. For this you should create another circle from the center with desired offset like this. Then select on pool, select the surface and move down your mouse to pocket the center of the disk. Okay, the next step is creating holes around the disk. For this you should just create one hole and repeat it with using circular patterns. Okay, now click on outer face of your disk, press on sketch and create another guideline from center to help you create the next circle. Okay, for creating the hole we use a circle on this line with desired radius, and then press on 3D mode. Okay, for creating the next circles, it doesn't need to repeat this path. Creating a sketch circle and repeat it for many times. For this we use a circular pattern from top side. As you've seen, it helps you to define a pattern. It means the number of your circles, and after click on rotational axis you can see the default number of circles, and after you click on the check mark you will see the circle surfaces on your disk. As you seen here, the default count of circular pattern is 12. You can change this number from option. For example, I set 6 here, and after click on rotational axis you can see 6 circles on your disk. And the next number is the angle of circular pattern. I change it to 180, and when you click on circular axis you can see the new pattern of your circles. I change the number to 12 and 360 as the default, and click on rotational axis and check mark. And the final step is click on a surface, click on Pool and move down your mouse to pocket all of the circles. Now you have the desired flange. For changing the color, you can right click on your body and use this, for example, silver color to better view. I hope you liked this video and share with your friends. In the next courses, we are going to start a wind turbine simulation from zero to hero. So subscribe to the channel and don't miss the next videos. Thank you. Bye bye.